Looking for the best adult tricycle that provides stability, comfort, and ease of use? Whether you need a reliable commuter, a cargo-friendly trike, or an electric-powered ride, these top picks for 2025 offer something for everyone. Let's dive into what makes each of these three-wheelers stand out. The Schwinn Meridian is a trusted favorite among adult tricycles, delivering exceptional balance and a smooth ride. Equipped with 26-inch wheels, it's ideal for riders between 5 feet 4 inches to 6 feet 2 inches and supports up to 300 pounds. Designed for comfort and practicality, it features wide upright handlebars and an extra-large cruiser saddle, making long rides easy on the back and joints. The dual braking system includes a front V-brake and rear band brake, providing precise stopping power. Need to carry groceries or personal items? The redesigned folding cargo basket holds up to 44 pounds, making it perfect for errands, beach trips, or even a picnic run. Plus, with full coverage fenders and heavy-duty alloy rims, you get added stability and a sleek, polished look. Check the description for the best deals. For those who want a little extra boost, the 630 EVRYjourney electric tricycle is a game changer. This 750-watt electric trike features both pedal assist and full electric modes, letting you choose between manual pedaling or effortless cruising at speeds of up to 16 miles per hour. Designed with a step-through aluminum frame, this tricycle makes mounting and dismounting effortless, reducing strain on your back, hips, and knees. It also comes with soft handlebar grips, an extra-wide saddle, and a digital display, making every ride comfortable and user-friendly. One of its standout features is the passenger seat, a rickshaw-style bench that can hold up to 300 pounds and comfortably fit 2 slender adults or 3 small children. With a total weight capacity of 500 pounds, this is the perfect trike for leisurely rides with family or friends. Check out the latest prices in the description below. If you need a tough, all-terrain tricycle, the Slsy Adult Mountain Tricycle is a beast in durability and performance. Built with a high-strength steel frame, this 7-speed mountain trike is made to handle rough terrains, including sand, gravel, and even hilly roads. With a weight capacity of 420 pounds, it's designed for both seniors and adventure seekers. The large rear basket is perfect for carrying camping gear, groceries, or personal items, making it an excellent choice for both urban and off-road riding. For added safety, it features a reliable braking system to ensure smooth stopping power even on steep inclines, giving you confidence and control in any situation. Plus, it comes with essential accessories, including a water bottle cage and assembly tools, making setup hassle-free. Find the best deal in the description below. If you're looking for a reliable 3-wheeled bike with versatile sizing options, the MOONCOOL Adult Tricycle is a fantastic pick. Available in 20-inch, 24-inch, and 26-inch sizes, it caters to riders of different heights. Equipped with 7 speeds, it offers smooth gear shifting, making it great for city commuting, beach rides, or weekend cruising. The large basket in the back makes carrying groceries, shopping bags, or other cargo simple and convenient. With a stable step-through frame and easy-to-use design, this tricycle is a great option for seniors or riders looking for a low-impact cycling experience. Check out the latest discounts in the description. For those needing a comfortable city commuter, the Max 4-out 7-speed adult tricycle delivers a stable and stylish ride. With 24-inch and 26-inch wheel options, this 3-wheel cruiser is perfect for navigating urban areas while ensuring maximum comfort. The 7-speed gear system allows for effortless pedaling, while the wide cushioned saddle ensures a smooth and relaxing ride. The extra-large rear basket makes it ideal for running errands, grocery shopping, or transporting personal belongings. Built with durable materials and a low-maintenance frame, this trike is a great long-term investment for men, women, and seniors looking for a reliable way to get around. Click the link in the description for the best deals. Which one fits your lifestyle best? Drop a comment and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check the description for the best deals on these top-rated adult tricycles.